guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to show you guys how I achieved this look right here. It's a halo eye. I like to describe it as a purple sunset look. For today's tutorial, I'm using the Morphe X James Charles palette, and I was just really inspired by all the colors in the palette. So if you are interested in knowing how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So first, I'm going to be priming my eyelids, and I'm using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Contour Concealer in the shade Light Ivory, and I'm just applying a nice even base all over my lid and then buffing it out with a damp beauty sponge and then setting it with some translucent powder. My favorite powder right now is the Easy Bake Huda Beauty Loose Setting Powder, and I use the shade Cupcake. And then jumping right into the palette, I'm going to be picking up this light orange shade, and this is going to be our transition color for today. So I'm just buffing this into the crease and kind of rounding out that crease. I'm not going to be doing a winged out crease today. I'm going to be doing a more round look. So just hug the natural shape of your crease. So once I've gone in a good amount of times with that first brush, I'll go ahead and pick up this second brush that is quite bigger. It's just a big fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to use this to further diffuse the edges and just make sure that everything is nice and seamless. And then next, I'm going into this shade right here. It's like a dark purple shade, and I'm going in with this angled brush. And I know everybody has different styles of blending, but I personally like to make sure that everything is really blended in each individual step so that it's easier to blend the next shade when we're building color. So I'm just going in with this angled brush and just drawing a line of definition, and I'm going slightly above my natural crease. Next, I'm going into this darker orange shade in the palette with my small tapered brush, and I'm just going in left and right motions over top of that line and just starting to add a nice gradient. So I definitely feel like there could be more of a gradient between that line and the transition color. So I went in with this even smaller tapered brush and that dark orange shade, and I'm just going in left and right motions directly over top of that line. And as you can see, it gave us a little bit more of a gradient, and it just blended everything out nicely. Next, I'm picking up my small angled brush, and I'm picking up my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Contour Concealer in the shade Light Ivory once again. And I'm using this to cut my crease, and I've actually been really liking this concealer to cut the crease. So if you guys have this concealer, definitely try it out to cut the crease and let me know if you guys liked it. Next, I'm going in with this really beautiful pressed shade. It's purple, but it has kind of a light blue iridescent to it. It's a really beautiful eyeshadow. I'm just packing this all over the lid, and I did wet my brush with a little bit of Fix Plus. And yeah, I'm just packing it onto my lid and making sure that it's super pigmented on the center because we are going to be doing a halo eye. So to start adding some depth on the inner and outer corners, I'm going to be picking up that dark orange shade once again. And first, I'm going into this small tapered brush, and I'm just kind of roughly applying it to the inner and outer corner and just starting to build a gradient on the inner and outer corner. For halo eyes, you definitely want to make sure that those inner and outer corners are very blended. So definitely take your time on this and make sure that you first apply the eyeshadow down on that outer edge. So next, I'm going in with that dark purple shade and this really small pencil brush, and I'm just starting to lay this down on the very inner and outer edge just to give us some more dimension, and then going in with this bigger tapered brush and that darker orange shade once again, and I'm just kind of feathering over top, and I'm going over top very, very lightly, and it's just going to help us blend those shades together. And then I peeled off my tape, and for lashes, I'm using my Shop Sophie Bella Barbados lashes. If you guys want to check out these lashes, the link to purchase these lashes or just to check them out will be in the description box down below. So for my lower lash line, I'm first going into that light and dark orange shade, and I kind of mix the two together as our lower lash transition color. And then going in with this more detailed flat brush, I picked up that purple shade. And then for my waterline, I picked up my Mr. Seymour Love Letter liner by The Balm, which is just a really bronzy brown eyeliner. And then for my lower lashes, I'm just applying my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then I'm going into this really light champagne color from the palette, and I'm just popping that onto my inner corner. And then the very last thing that I'm doing for this look, I just ran my spoolie through some Dove bar soap, and then I'm running it through my brow. And this is the finished look, guys. I really, really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. Super inspired by this palette. I have a few other tutorials going up using this palette as well. If you don't have this palette, I'm very sorry that I'm using it so much, but I just absolutely love it, and it has me feeling super inspired. So I'm just going to be uploading a few more looks using this palette. Also, guys, we have monthly giveaways here on our channel, so if you guys want to be entered to win our monthly giveaway, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, hit that bell button so you turn your post notifications on, and then comment done in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!